AI has made imaging, visualizing, and creating many things that would have been extremely difficult just a few years ago, quick and easy. One of those things has started to go viral on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram recently. The niche I'm talking about is hybrid creatures, and there are channels getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars from YouTube. Check out this channel, Planet of AI. They have almost 20 different shorts with over 1 million views with just 2 image generations. Basically a before and after of what a hybrid animal would look like. I've seen a few other faceless AI channels explain how to do this, but instead of generating just 2 images, I'm going to take this niche to the next level and really make something that can stand out. In this video, I'll show you how most creators are doing this, and then I'll add some special sauce to improve these shorts even more. Not only that, but I'll be using one tool for all the image and video generations. Now, let's dive in. To create these amazing hybrid transformation videos, the first step is to pick out 2 creatures. Most videos I've seen on this topic will just tell you to go to ChatGPT and ask for a list of animals, which works, but we can do better. I want to come up with combinations of different types of creatures. For example, I think birds and mammals, mammals and reptiles, or birds and reptiles are all interesting combinations. So, instead of asking ChatGPT for a list of animals, I'm going to use this prompt. Hey ChatGPT, can you give me a list of 25 possible animal hybrid combinations? I want 2 different animals that would make an interesting combination. I'd like a mixture of birds and mammals, mammals and reptiles, or birds and reptiles. At least one of these should be an animal that is fierce, large, or aggressive. Now, we have a bunch of combinations that are much better than just a list of random farm animals. Okay, the polar bear and alligator. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to create some image prompts for the polar bear and alligator combination. Can you give me 4 detailed image prompts for the polar bear and alligator combination that I can use in an image generator? 1 of each animal alone, 1 with them facing each other, and 1 after they've transformed into a hybrid animal. Make sure the backgrounds call out a similar background for each image. The background part of this prompt isn't absolutely needed, but I find it helpful for the video generators. Plus, it adds consistency to the final image. You might need to adjust this if you've got a land and water animal hybrid, but for many combinations, it will help out. With these 4 image prompts, we'll be jumping over to Krea.ai for both our images and our video. You can use other tools for this, but I'm a fan of the ease that Krea makes this process. One of the benefits of Krea is I have access to several Flux models, along with 2 from Ideogram. If you're struggling to get images you like, then try a different model until you get the perfect image. To start, I'll grab the image prompt for the polar bear, choose the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio, and hit Generate. Grab the image you like the best and repeat the process for the second animal, the alligator. Okay, perfect. Those will work well together. Now, the third prompt is the one with the 2 animals facing each other. You could have the 2 creatures just in the screen together, but I'll explain why I like them facing each other when we create the video. Another benefit of using Krea is the built-in upscaler tool. I will select one of our images, hit Upscale. I will bring the strength and resemblance to about 60, the clarity to 25, and hit Enhance. This will really help the videos have a high-quality look to them. I'll do this step for each photo before downloading them and moving on. We won't animate the first 2, but we do need to animate the images of the creatures facing each other and the hybrid. Now, for this next step, I want to use a video generator that allows me to set a start and end frames. This allows me to use the 2 animals facing each other as the start frame and the hybrid as the end frame. This is the best way that I've found to guarantee the consistency and quality that I want. With Krea, you can see we have two options for video generators that allow both a start and an end frame. I'm a big fan of Kling, so I'll use that generator. But if you're struggling to get something you like, Luma is an option. We'll start by uploading our two animals facing each other into the start frame, then the hybrid into the end. A 5-second generation is fine, and we want to make sure to select the vertical dimensions. Perfect. This is a pretty cool morphing effect. This did take a few generations, but well worth it to get a cool transformation part. Now, I want to animate the image of the hybrid creature as well. Coming back to the video generation screen, I have more options for the generator I can use. For this generation, I'm going to switch to Kling 1.6, which is their newest model. I just need to upload an image for the start frame, 5 seconds, vertical image, and hit generate. The video generated looks really cool too. It looks like the hybrid, charging and attacking. Okay, now we've got our visuals. I want to jump over to ElevenLabs to grab a quick voiceover. I'll use the Brian voice and a very short script. This is something most of these animal hybrids aren't doing. You could skip this step, but it's easy and it adds a nice touch to our videos, so I'd recommend keeping it. The last step is to grab a few sound effects and a hype music track from a free stock site like Pixabay. Throw it all together in your favorite video editor and...
What would happen if the mighty polar bear merged with a ferocious alligator? An alpha predator beyond compare.
So cool. You have all the pieces that you need to create your own amazing transformation videos. Now, I challenge you to take this a step further. Instead of two animals, what interesting combinations could you come up with? This is an easy way to distinguish yourself from others using this method. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and bell icons before you leave, and feel free to join me in my free AI creator community.